Welcome to a baby doll collection. It's Think Thursday. Is things with the letter B or birds. Birds are things with the letter B, like bears, Pinky. Let's begin in this corner of the crib. We have owls. They're birds. And let's see who's here. Oh, there is Valentina, and she's got an owl hat, an owl binky, an owl lovey. I will always love you. And she's got an owl sweater. Yay, you know that one. And next is Isabelita, and she's got an owl hat and an owl cloth because she wasn't feeling good. And a little ducky. Look at this little ducky. That's Lilac, remember? And we have Bella. Bella. Her name starts with the letter B. And she's wearing a onesie with ballerinas. Ballerinas. And some bunny booties. Bunny booties. Let me see your booty. Oh, yeah, like a ballerina. See? Just like a ballerina. Next. Oh, can I have that back? Next is Grayson. And he's trying to catch up with baseball, you know. Remember sports? But baseball starts with the letter B. Balls start with the letter B. And he's got a hat of a bumblebee. And behind him is Dorian wearing an owl binky, a baseball outfit with his baseball cap. And oh, Sunshine, he's wearing a bear cap. Nice bear cap. And look at your gloves. They have, your mittens have balls all over it. Footballs and baseballs and basketballs. Oh, look at that blue Mickey Mouse. I'm sorry. Blue Mickey. And this is Alex. He's sleeping with his blue binky. Baby blue binky. And he's got a teddy bear here and a birdie. Oh, they all look so adorable. We have Emily here. She's playing with her dollies. I don't want to bother her. But she is wearing a ladybug. Pinky is a ladybug. And she's wearing a teddy bear bib. Yeah, it's a bib. Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, this is Sadie with her bear and her teddy bear. And oh, that's a penguin. It's a bird. Yeah. And she's wearing a bunny hat. Oh, everything with a bee. Oh, bless her. And here is the special Scooter. Scooter is wearing a bear outfit, the big bear face on it. And he finished his bottle. See you on our next video. Thank you for watching. I don't want to leave without saying thank you so much for all your beautiful, beautiful, lovely cards that I received during this year, last year, and any time. Thank you so much having you on, Mary S, Baby Enchanted 111, Springtime Creations, Katie's, oh, there's so many people, so many. And if I forget your name, maybe I'll give you a shout out in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.